Hello, and thank you for being here at my presentation on differentiation and engagement and how it can support brain-based learning in the classroom. My name is Emily Hill. I am currently enrolled in the master's program at Grand Canyon University for curriculum instruction with my instructor, Professor Bloom. First, I want to begin with differentiation and how it supports brain-based learning. Differentiation is the process of adjusting instruction for each individual student to meet their own individual learning needs. This can be supported with neuroplasticity, which is exactly what happens physically to our brains when we are absorbing new knowledge and information. Emotion and learning have proven helpful to differentiation. Active engagement has been helpful, and even pattern recognition has been proven helpful towards differentiation. The first strategy I'd like to discuss for differentiation in the classroom is called dual coding. I use this with my own first grade classroom by taking the verbal information that I'm teaching and transforming it into visuals. I use this through infographics in the classroom, diagrams, and even physical gestures, such as teaching them how to count on in math. My second strategy is feedback loops. With this process, I stop every few minutes to get feedback from my students. I check them for understanding with what they're telling me and the work that I see, and then I'm correcting any misconceptions as early as possible to avoid confusion. Next, I want to talk to you about engagement and how it supports brain-based learning in the classroom. We need to think about what engagement means in the classroom. It means that students are actively participating and engaged, are focusing on everything that the teacher is giving instruction on. We need to think about how it can support learners and how it connects to brain-based learning. The first strategy that I've chosen is called Think, Pair, Share. This is an active learning technique which allows students to turn and discuss with their peers what we're learning about in class. It encourages student engagement so no one's afraid to speak, and it also gives everyone a chance to have their voice heard. My second strategy is called the jigsaw strategy. I was hesitant to use this with my first grade class, but once I was very happy to have done so. This is simply a breakdown of a complex topic and taking it apart and giving it in smaller samples to the students as you're learning. Then, once you have given